So this is the VueSonic Advanced 2 cleaning system for Scleral and I would assume RGP lenses as well. It uses vibrations to clean the lenses, and here's how it works. So you take this off. There's actually a number of different parts to this. So inside of here there's kind of a floating platform that moves. And so when you turn on the system, this floating platform vibrates. And it's the same kind of vibration that you would get from like a cell phone, where there's an internal motor that spins and there is an unbalanced weight attached to the motor. So as this unbalanced weight spins, it vibrates and it sends the vibrations to this platform. So this right here is the actual lens basket. It's a silicone lens basket, and as you can see, you just put your lenses right in here, and it only fits 16mm lenses, nothing bigger, or else it'll hit those kind of these small vertical nubbies that you see at the top. So it's exactly 16. 17mm lenses will not work on these. And so you put this basket inside, and it's sitting on top of that floating platform, so it vibrates along with that floating platform. And the top part is this thing. So basically what happens is you put in some solution. I use BioTrue. I put in some solution, I put my lenses in here, and I then add in some drops of solution so that they're inside the lenses. And then I put the cover on, and then I turn on the machine. So basically all this is the lenses get sandwiched in between the bottom silicone basket and the top silicone, and the vibration causes it to basically rub any deposits off. And it's quite effective. Each cleaning cycle is, I think, only 2 minutes, and it definitely seems to get the deposits off. Yeah, so that's it. It's quite effective.